Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I'm going on a trip to Michael's. Now remember, you never have to go on any of my yarn trip shopping trips with me if you don't want. But I know a lot of people like them, so I always bring my camera along. If you don't want to come with me, you can just go ahead and turn me off right now. That's fine. You just look out for my next tutorial, which will be coming really soon. But since I'm such a complete nerd about yarn, I scour the internet day and night looking for yarn sales and yarn coupons that I can use at different stores and different locations. So, what I came up with today is Michael's has all their Caron cakes, the regular cakes, on sale for $5. And today, from 3 till midnight, or 3 until when they close, I don't know when that is, they have an additional 20% off of them. So that'll knock them down to $4. And then I have a couple Joann's coupons that I'm going to try to stack on top of that because Michael's accepts competitor coupons. So I'm going to try to get them cakes to in the $3 area. So we come along and we'll see what I can do. But even if I can't, $4 is pretty good for a cake. But I think I can get it a little bit lower. So let's see what we can do. Okay, I made it to Michael's and I'll try to not make anybody vomit with my camera skills. Remember, I'm used to my camera being on a stand when I do tutorials, so I just got one mission. Caron cakes is my mission today. So we'll see what we can find in the Caron cake section. It's this stuff. Oh, here's that new pet yarn. I'm getting sidetracked. Bernat blanket pets. Let's see what the difference in this is. Every skein's a winner. Enter your pin. Natural odor control yarn. 100% polyester odor control. Gimmick. Marketing gimmick. Oh, is this the velvet? It is. It looks different than when I got it home though. Look at all these colors of that velvet they got. Ew. I need some. But I'm not gonna get it because it's not on sale. Even though I do have 20% off. My mission is cakes right now. Regular cakes. So right here, let's see what they got. These should be on sale for $5.99. At least that's what their ad says. So, let me look around here at these. These are not on sale. Tweeds. I'm still looking at that blanket yarn. They had a lot of colors of that velvet. A lot more than Joann's did. Like I said, I need more of that, but I'm going to wait until it goes on sale to get more of it. Here's another marketing gimmick. Now, if you guys haven't seen my review of that, I suggest you look at it. It is not worth the money that they're asking. Just stuff. Copenhagen, that's pretty. Okay, well anyways, I'm here to look at cakes. I don't see where it says, yeah, their cakes are $5 plus everything's 20% off today. So I'm gonna pick up a few cakes. I know what I need. I got some pictures on my phone of the colors I need. So I'm gonna take a quick look around before I turn my camera off because I gotta look at the pictures that are on my phone. And then I'll show you what I got. So see if there's anything on clearance here. Baby cakes, $2.67. It's pretty cheap actually. These big cakes, I guess, maybe on clearance because they're all messed up, I guess. Okay, let's see what else they got here. And none of this is on sale. Of course, you know, I don't know if a lot of people know this. Michael's does price match. And Joann's has their Caron big cakes. Caron 1 pounds on sale for $5.99. Michaels will match that $5.99 and they will give me another 10% off. But again, I'm not here for the Caron 1 pounds, even though that's a great deal. I'm going to pass that up. That was just some info for those of you that don't know. If Joann's or Hobby Lobby has the same type of yarn on sale that Michaels doesn't, Michaels will match it and beat it by 10%. The only problem is you cannot use any other coupons if you do that. So, okay, I got all my cakes matched up with the ones I got at home. So I think I'm done here. I'm gonna try to get these cakes for as cheap as I can. Now they have clearance cakes over here, $4.59, right? Now they're on sale for 5 regular ones. Plus I have 20% off. 20% off will not work on these clearance items. It does not count for clearance items. So I'm going to pass on that because I won't get no 20% off of that. But I'm going to take a quick look and make sure. Now I know that they will match these $5.99 and beat them by 10%. But like I said, I didn't come here for that. So maybe another trip. Maybe another trip. Just take a quick look and see what we got here. Craft Smart $2.50. They didn't have a lot on sale here, but they did have that 20% off. So, but some of their prices are pretty high already. Yeah, and this is on sale for 2 for $6. I've seen it cheaper than that. So that make up $3 and 20% off that, but I don't really need any of those either. So I think I'm gonna go ahead, check out this one more clearance section. Because my mission today were the cakes. When I'm on a mission, I complete my mission. It's completed. I got the cakes that I needed. Some I didn't need. Actually, most of them I don't need. But I wanted to get them. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Make sure we didn't miss anyone here. I don't think I did. Okay. I gotta see here. Check out one more time. Like all the colors of this velvet they got. Now I really like that burnout velvet. And like I said, I need more of it. But I'm going to wait until it goes on sale to get it. And this is the first I've seen the pet yarn. It is new from Yarn Inspirations. It is still 269 yards for $10. It's a little smaller than regular blanket yarn. It's probably a bulky 5 would be my guess. Yep. And it's 100% polyester. It does say that it has Everfresh probiotic technology for odor control. Let's see, 259 yards for that. I don't know. Seems like a marketing gimmick to me again. I don't see really much of a difference in it other than it's smaller and it does have a few more yards, but the only reason it has more yards is because it's a bulky 5. That's it. Other than that. But remember, you don't have to listen to me. That's just my opinion. I think that is another gimmick like their Pantone yarn was. But this velvet, this new one, I really like it. It's nice. Very nice. But again, I'm going to wait till it's on sale. What do we got over here? It's this stuff. Bernat, big blanket. This is like 100% polyester, jumbo number 7. This is the exact same stuff that Walmart Mainstay sells. It does feel a little bit better made though than the Mainstay. I don't know if you've ever seen it at Walmart, that big thick jumbo stuff. I made something out of it one time. This feels better. $10 for 32 yards. No thanks, I'll pass on that. The Mainstays, I think $4.97 for about the same, so it's half the price. That one might feel a little bit better, but I don't think it's enough to justify that price difference. But that's just my opinion. Okay, so I gotta turn my phone off to get the coupons off of it to see how cheap I can get these cakes for. So I'll turn my phone back on here in just a minute. Okay, I made it home. Now I was able to get 22 Caron cakes for $3.32 a piece. Now that is a steal, and I'll tell you how I did that. Michael's had their Caron cakes on sale today in their ad. They were $5 a piece. I had a 20% off coupon to Michael's for everything including sell items, so that dropped each cake down from $5 to $4. And then I had a Joann's coupon that I used, which was $15 off your purchase of $75 or more. Now, not all Joann's and Michael's are the same. Some of them won't take certain coupons and some of them will. I don't really think that's cool. I think they should all take the same coupons. And it also depends on the person that you get at the register. This time, the lady was a bit hesitant to take my Joann's coupon, but I just nicely explained that I've used it several times, and she took it off. So that made them all $3.32 a piece. I felt like I just robbed the place. Man, that's a steal. But I'll show you what I got. So I got 3 of these, which are cake pop. 3 of these. And then I got 3 mixed berry. And I got 3 zucchini loaf. 3 of those. 3 rainbow sprinkles. This is normally not a color I would buy. I'm not much of a bright multicolored person like this, rainbowy stuff, but I liked it, and I think I'm going to make something really cool for a child with it, more than likely. But I got 3 of those. 3 blackberry mousse. 3 of those. I got 2 Turkish Delight. Now the only reason why I got 2 of these is because I like to make the center of my cakes match. No matter what kind of cake I buy, the colors have to match up. That way when you start a new project, they are the same. Because a lot of times you buy cakes and the colors are all different. Like some of them would start with a different color, and that'll make your project sometimes look a little wonky. So I always get ones with matching colors. So the centers match here. That means all the colors are going to match up in line. So when I use all this one up and I start this one, it's going to be equal flow. It's going to look exactly the same as this. So that's why I do that. But they only have 2 that match, so that's why I only got 2 of those. And then this is the one I really wanted. I seen online that they had it at my store. White truffle. Well, when I got there, they were all, I mean, crunched up and all tore up. And I could only find 2 decent ones, and the centers don't even match on them, which I'm kind of disappointed. But that's okay. I will still make it work. So I only got 2 of these because the rest of them there were really mangled up. But I thought it was pretty. Like I said, the centers don't match, but I'm still going to make it work whenever I make a project with it. So 2 of those. And then I got some of these that I already have. Some of these. I already have 2 of these at home, so I picked up another one. And I took a picture of the ones I have at home, so I matched this center up with the ones I have at home already. So I got 1 of these, which is buttercream. And I already have 2 here, so that'll make 3 of them. And I got 1 of these, which is strawberry trifle. And then I have 2 at home, so that'll make 3 of these. And then I got 1 of these, which is blueberry cheesecake, which I already have 2 at home. And this will make 3. And there's almost 400 yards in one of these, so you're getting pretty close. Around 11 to 12. 383, so 1100 yards, a little bit over, maybe something like that. for 3 skeins, and that is plenty, or 3 cakes, for me to make anything that I want other than Afghans, because I do not make Afghans. People always ask me, what are you going to do with 1 skein of yarn? What are you going to do with just 2 skeins of yarn? I can make anything I want, pretty much, out of one of these cakes, if I really wanted to. I mean, depending on the yardage, I could make a lacy shawl if I wanted to. You know, anything. Scarves, gloves, bags, baby clothes, kitchen items, household accessories, cowls. People don't really think about all the small stuff you can make with just 1 skein. I think people just think about getting multiple skeins to make Afghans and stuff, which I do not make Afghans. Now, of course, I probably couldn't make a poncho out of just 1 cake, but I definitely could make a lacy shawl if I really wanted to. But regardless, I got 3 cakes of almost all of them, and that's going to be enough to make anything that I want to make, because, like I said, I do not make Afghans. But that's it. That's my Michaels haul. Hope you guys enjoyed my trip. I know it was kind of short. I didn't show you much. I did see them new yarns, though, that pet yarn and stuff. I don't know. I'll research that pet yarn a little bit more. It seemed a little gimmicky to me, but that could be just me. But I'm gonna tell you, that velvet yarn's really nice, because I have some of that Bernat velvet. So, well, anyways, thanks for tagging along. I always appreciate you guys coming. I hope you enjoyed following along with me. Please don't forget to subscribe either. Check down in the description box for my auto subscribe button. Just click that, and then you'll automatically be subscribed, and you'll never miss any of my tutorials that I put on. Be looking for tutorials for what I make out of all this stuff. So until next time, guys, see you later.